the darkest hours, a city emerged from struggle to success, uncertainty to predictability. One leader, one community. This is the Game Changer. Travel restrictions, physical distancing, and random lockdowns due to COVID-19 have disrupted the booming economy of Iloilo City. Some businesses have either temporarily or permanently shut down, resulting to job losses. Iloilo City's tourism industry suffered a loss of 678.3 million pesos from March to June 2020 based on hotel occupancy rate. Tourist arrival also dropped this year due to canceled events. Despite the difficulties and challenges the city is currently facing, Iloilo City Mayor Jerry Treñas remains steadfast in his commitment to uplift the lives of every Ilonggo. Through the efforts of the local chief executive along with his core group, COVID-19 cases started to significantly go down towards the last quarter of the year 2020.
Well, I think ang aton ng syudad, no, we are going in the right direction. Ang aton dialysis center sa Isbaluarte ready na nag-procure kita sa mga machines. Kung mag-abot na, makasugod na kita sa aton services para sa ina nga dialysis center. May ara pagid kita nga dialysis center nga ipatukuron dira sa San Isidro sa Haro, ang DOH maamot man sa aton anom ka dialysis machines, no? Kag may ara pagid isa sa Dungon A nga dialysis center man ipatukuron naton. Ang unang importante gid ang health services, no? Especially during this pandemic, I think daw nagwa gid ang importansya sang public health.
With the lowering of the quarantine status, live events also opened. It paved the way for pop-up businesses to reboot in the COVID-19 era. The reopening of the Iloilo City's business industry is a good sign towards economic recovery. The city government also created a program for senior high graduates of Iloilo City Community College to better hone their crafts by establishing skills enhancement and livelihood training. Iloilo City's local farmers were not spared from the catastrophe caused by the virus, but the local government has ways of helping the agriculture sector. The JPT Ediscape and Uswag rolling store created a stable food supply chain in the community. Iloilo City is becoming a center for culture and arts. Vacant walls and dull sidewalks were transformed into amazing canvas for Ilonggo visual artists. The mural paintings also served as tribute for local frontliners. As the city prepares for a big comeback after pandemic, the direction is not only focused on infrastructure projects. Since calamities and disasters are inevitable, it is but necessary to put up a command center, which will be the hub of the city's responses. A 3-story building will be constructed at the motor pool area in Delgado Street, City proper. This will house the rescue vehicle and 2 fire trucks of Iloilo City. Personnel will also undergo trainings to enhance their capability in rescue operations. With a clear and strong vision, Iloilo City's road to the next level is successfully executed. And with great leadership, setbacks and obstacles are deemed insignificant.